The task was to provide lighting for a three-form decorative art wall. The wall consisted of multiple bent pieces of colored transparent and semi-transparent glass that spanned 20 feet in height by 16 feet in width. To achieve this, we developed the light columns that you see today. These columns of light consist of two different light intensities that are user dimmable. The front and back visually interact with the users of the space by casting light towards the viewer. The sides cast light towards the art wall and accent the panels of glass and allows the light to mix differently through each pane. The overall scale of the wall and the associated light columns help to visually draw the visitor's eye towards the wall. In addition, the lighted wall sits within the two-story reception area, which is visible from the exterior via a two-story clear-story window. The user can increase or decrease the light level of the light columns to adjust for the desired night effect.